Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you love decorating roll-out cookies or piping flowers, chances are you've used meringue powder to make your icing. Meringue powder is a must for making royal icing, meringue cookies and stabilizing marshmallow or whipped cream frosting.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There may be times you make royal icing with egg white, and if you do, you should add it so your royal icing will have volume. Cream of tartar will help prevent sugar crystallization. Adding an interfering agent like cream of tartar or lemon juice can help prevent it.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Chefmaster Deluxe Meringue Powder for baking and decorating. Many bakers use meringue powder for making decorative frostings, and this powder is just the thing for stabilizing those picture-perfect royal icings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.